In today's video, I'll teach you how to turn off wake screen for notifications on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is open your device settings. You can see over here, I've opened it. You'll be able to find various settings options over here. Out of these options, what you have to do is find the option for display. Once you do that, tap on it. Now you'll be able to find the settings related with display over here. You'll be able to find various options. In the section for lock display, you'll be able to find the option for lock screen. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to see various options related with lock screen over here. What you have to do is simply find the option for wake screen for notifications. Right now you can see over here it is toggled on. Whenever it is toggled on, when screen is dark, it turns on for new notifications. So if you want to turn it off, what you have to do is simply toggle off this button. Now once you do that, you can see over here it will be turned off. So that is how you turn off wake screen for notifications on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.